And we're back with another knife review. Today it's going to be the Bastion Sigma. It is a Tonto style flipper. First glance, I kind of like the design there of the carbon fiber overlay. Let's go over the specs on this knife and then we'll show it in action. Blade material is D2. The handle material is G10 with a carbon fiber overlay. It is a liner lock. Has a stainless steel pocket clip. It is a flipper. Tonto style blade. Overall length is 7.75. Blade length is 3.3 with a 3.25 inch cutting area. This one also utilizes ceramic ball bearings for the pivot. And the handle length is also 4.45 inches. Blade width stays the same as on the last Bastion we did. And the weight is 4.1 ounces. Has some the see-through chassis, once again. Utilizes two bolsters, two barrel spacers, excuse me, to space the knife. Stainless steel liners. And a neat little design there on the pivot cap. Let's go ahead and show you how this thing cuts. Got a little jute here, so we'll go ahead and just cut with it. As you can see, it'll cut anywhere on the blade. Bring out some paracord. Cuts through it very smoothly. Little tearing there, but not too bad. Got some cardboard here, as you can see. As long as I keep the blade to it, it cuts very easily. I'm sure this one will probably have a nice stabbing and cutting motion, which is probably really precise. Also, I like about this one is the jimping on top here. I like it when you can get your hand on the knife for a more precision cut. Alright, so once again, this is a flipper. Whoops. Liner lock, which you can easily one hand. D2 blade, black PVD coated. Once again, it's a right hand tip up carry. And this is the Bastion Sigma. For those that are watching on Instagram, make sure you like our post and follow Atlantic Knife. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Turn on those post notifications and you'll get to see all of our videos that we show every day. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife. signing off.